Stop guessing how people feel about your IT. Start knowing. Your CSAT is not telling you everything. Your deck sentiment isn't enough. Your yearly surveys are too outdated. You don't know if your AI investments are paying off. That's guesswork. And guesswork leads to bad decisions. HappySignals gives you something better: experience intelligence. We combine the operational data already living in your ITSM tool with experience data from our surveys, then let AI connect the dots. Suddenly, you can see the full picture: how people are willing to respond and give feedback, how people feel about IT, where frustration is growing, why productivity is leaking away and who's affected. 80% of companies are failing at AI adoption, and the reason isn't the technology, it's the people. Accelerate AI enterprise value realization at scale. Only 20% of initiatives deliver immediate ROI, and just 2% deliver long-term disruptive value. HappySignals shows you exactly how employees are engaging with AI tools, so you can drive adoption that sticks. No dedicated resource, no steep learning curve, no data analyst needed. Just ask. Because IT is a mirror of what's happening across your whole organization. When you understand the experience, you make smarter, data-backed decisions, and you have the evidence to bring every stakeholder along with you. Start knowing. Book your Happy Signals demo today.